You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your PayPal account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for PayPal, alright? Once you search for PayPal over here, basically it's gonna show you this. Now, PayPal is an American multinational financial technology company which was developed to send and receive money. So you can send money to other PayPal user, another PayPal user can send you money, and you can redeem that money into your bank as well. That's basically what PayPal is used for, alright? Now, in order to log in into your account, once you search PayPal, you can see log into your PayPal account. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Now, over here, you can enter the login details of your PayPal account. So I'm going to enter my email over here. Now, if you used your phone number to create a PayPal account, you can enter your phone number over here. But I used my email when I created my PayPal account. So I'm going to enter my email over here. And then I'm going to enter the password of my account over here. And then click on login. And if the email and password I entered over here is correct, then I should be able to log in into my PayPal account. And for some reason, if I forgot my password, then I can click on forgot password to recover my password as well. And once I click on it, it's going to bring me over here. Now over here, I need to enter my email, whichever email I used when I created my PayPal account, and click on next. Once I click on next, a verification code is going to be sent to my mail, and I can enter the code over here on the next step. After I enter the code, PayPal is going to know I'm the owner of the account, and it's going to help me change my password as well. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into a PayPal account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.